Visual Paradigm Online allows you to translate your image with the AI Image Translator. Upload your image from the device. Select the target language. Then press Process to start the translation. Once finished, you can begin adjusting the translated image. First, remove any remnants of text or other unwanted elements using the Draw and Repair tool. Adjust the stroke size and draw over the unwanted areas. Then press Repair Masked Area to fix them. Select multiple text blocks by holding the Control button, then unify their size using the Set to Same Size button. Next, align the text and text blocks and reposition them. Then resize and reposition the title as well. Now adjust the font style. Use the Select All button to quickly select all text blocks on the image, then change the font style. Once everything looks good, press Export Image to download the translated image to your device.